Conversation 1. Adjectives. In your family, who is funny?
My dad is very funny.
Who is hardworking?
My mom is very hardworking. She has 2 jobs.
And who is really smart?
My sister is smart. She is a doctor.
Did you like the movie?
No, it was so boring.
Really, I liked it. It was interesting.
Really? The story was so slow.
Really, I thought the story was cool.
What about the acting?
It was okay. Not great, but not bad.
I agree.
Where do you shop?
At the Lakeside Mall. The stores are cheap there.
Really? I think the mall is expensive.
Some stores. But some stores are really cheap.
Do you like the food there?
No, the food is not very delicious.
I agree. It is very bland.
The cafes are good, though.
Is your math class hard?
Yes, it is very difficult.
Why is it hard?
Well, the teacher is strict. We have lots of homework.
Oh, that sounds tough. Conversation 2. Verbs-Present simple.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up, I take a shower, I get dressed, and I eat breakfast.
Oh. When do you get up?
I get up at 6.
Wow, that's early.
I know. I like mornings though.
What do you do during the day?
Well, I go to school. I teach students.
Ooh. What do you teach?
I teach maths. What do you do?
I work at a bike shop.
Really, what do you do at the shop?
I fix and sell bikes.
Sounds fun.
What do you do at lunch?
I eat with my friends. And you?
I eat in the park.
That's nice.
Yeah, I like to read on my lunch break.
Ooh, what do you read?
I read about history.
Interesting.
What do you do on the weekend?
I play sports at the park. How about you?
I study at the library.
Oh, right. You love books.
Yeah. So, what sports do you play?
I play soccer with my friends.
Sounds fun.
It is. Conversation 3. Likes and dislikes.
So, what foods do you like?
I like ice cream and pizza and apples.
Oh, I like those foods too.
What foods do you like?
I like fish, vegetables, and bananas.
Together?
No, not together. What drinks do you like?
I like tea, and I like juice.
Ooh, hot tea or cold tea?
Both. What about you?
I like coffee and hot chocolate.
Ooh, I like both too.
What desserts do you like?
I really like ice cream.
Ooh. What flavor do you like?
I like strawberry. I like vanilla too.
Nice. I like cake and I like pie.
What kind of pie?
I really like apple pie with ice cream.
Yum.
What snacks do you like?
I like to eat fruit.
Oh yeah? What fruits do you like?
I like apples and oranges. And you?
I like strawberries and watermelon.
Do you like to eat cookies?
Of course. I love chocolate chip cookies.
Me too. Conversation 4. Subject pronouns.
What does your mom do?
She is a chef at a restaurant.
Cool. That means she is a good cook.
Yes, she is a great cook.
Where does she work?
She works at an Italian restaurant.
What is your dad like?
He is funny. He's very friendly.
What does he look like?
He is tall and big.
How old is he?
He is 47.
Who are your friends?
Betty, Jason, and Laura.
Are they students?
Yes, they are. They all study business.
Are they from around here?
No, they are all from different cities.
Are we there yet?
No, but we are close, I think.
How close are we?
We are 10, maybe 20 minutes away.
What? 20 minutes. Are we lost?
No, we are not lost. Trust me. Conversation 5. Demonstratives this, that, these, those.
Is this your book?
Yes, that is my book.
And is this your pencil?
No, that is not my pencil.
Whose pencil is it?
I am not sure.
I like these jeans.
I like those too.
Do you like this shirt?
No, but I like that shirt.
The blue one?
No, the green one.
I don't like that color.
Really? I like it.
How much is this coffee maker?
That is $10.
And how much are these plates?
Those are $5 each.
What about these?
Those spoons are $1 each.
I'll take them all.
Sold. Conversation 6. Telling time.
What time is the meeting?
It starts at 6 o'clock.
When is it over?
It is over at 7:30.
Wow. So long.
Well, it might finish by 7:15.
When is your first class?
It is at 8:30.
Me too. When is your last class?
My last class is at 3:45.
When does it finish?
At 5:15.
Wow, so late.
I know.
Excuse me. What time is it?
It is 10:30.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Oh, it is 10:30.
Oh, thanks. 10:30 means 10:30?
Yes, it does.
So 7:30 means 7:30.
Yes, you got it.
When is the next bus?
It is at 8:15.
8:15. That's too early. I want to get a coffee. And when is the next one?
The next bus is at 8:45.
8:45. Okay, I can take that one.
There is also one at 9:15.
9:15 is too late. I have class at 9:30.
Don't miss it then. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning! Great